At the first, we search path and select file path and file from path. We select and browse and select our Excel data and connect it to file from path, and we search import Excel data and select data point import Excel and connect file from path to Data.ImportExcel, and we copy the name sheet and paste to a string and connect it to import data Excel, and we create new boolean and select the false and run our script. As you can see, all data imported from Excel. This name of sheet we set is to input by name sheet name. We select them and we right click and group this data and write name of this group, import data from Excel.